Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFLTV, the home of football. Today is the first time we sell our program. For here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I remember the statement wey Martin Keown make yesterday. You know, say Martin Keown is one of our legends, Arsenal legends. So Baba talk say Manchester United na go end up for top 4. In with Roy Keane, na make that statement, then agree. The Manchester United na go end in top 4 ahead of Arsenal because of why? Since they more consistent than Arsenal. Okay, now should be the Manchester United na don't play Watford yesterday. They come play 0-0. Watford dey 18th for table. They no fit beat Watford. And don't forget the corresponding fixture when they play the first leg for Watford home. Watford beat them. I think when I 4-1, I beat how many goals. Watford beat them, which means this season Watford beat them for Watford home. Don't draw for Manchester United home. Manchester United now don't be ahead of Arsenal with about 2 points, and Arsenal get 3 outstanding matches for their head. And you can't talk saying that Manchester United they more consistent. This same Watford now Arsenal will play, I think March 6th. So on that day when we play, we will know how far now. We know who truly they more consistent. But Arsenal go pity for them because me na Shola for me now. We will let them know on that day. We will let them know as they go. Gabriel Mogales don come outside for media set to come drop one kind bomb as Baba dey for Oh My God channel wey they call the interview am. So they call dey ask am say wetin be the reason we make Aubameyang leave Arsenal? You get say you be insider now, so let us know as this up. So Baba come talk say almost say the thing no get to do with any player. You get say all the players dem love Aubameyang, they no even want make him go. Say the major reason we make the guy come out be say he get a rift, he get a bust up, like he get a misunderstanding with the coaching staff. So that is why they can't talk say no, this is the last straw. We go break the camel back. That is why they can't talk say they can't come out and the maybe even that say maybe he come back for training or in travel say no be that one. Say the main coco be say he get issue with the coaching staff. You know say before many people they talk say because in travel go with him mama. I tell you talk say no be everything will happen behind the scene we dey hear, you get. And all this why we say they get issue with your coaching staff. How you think say the matter go end? You just be like say that time why I dey school. Maybe say you go get some kind of stubborn lecturers, you can't go to get issue with lecturer, or maybe you can't go to drag woman with lecturer. I think say go end. Now see you they will dash you now. They will dash you, so you won't graduate. You can't go to get issue with lecturer. And so you just be player for football club, they get issue with coaching staff. Though which of the coaching staff we don't really know, whether na Teta, whether na assistants, whether na some other people, but the coaching staff we don't really know. So now if Baba don't let us know as they solve, many people don't talk now wow, people don't say now wow. And so we can let you know as they go. So how Nathan reacts to this news. At the same time, Abramovich will be the owner of Chelsea. Don't hand over Chelsea to Chelsea's Trustees Charitable Foundation. So that then go they in the best position to run Chelsea, guide them towards this end of the season. Because as things stand, I remember say I talk say the House of Commons for the plenary session for UK don't talk say it no go make sense with everything wey dey happen with the war between Ukraine and Russia. They make Abramovich constantly take over the Chelsea, constantly rule the club for Chelsea. No make them because you know say people they talk say make NATO fight for Ukraine, or NATO cannot fight for you when you are not one of their allies. So the only thing they can do is give Russia heavy sanctions. All Russian businessmen wey dey for UK, they freeze their assets like the banks, like those who get money. So they're going to talk to this Abramovich and get ties to the Kremlin, he get ties to Putin, will be Russian president. So they got to the first line of business. We say he not supposed to own any business. That is Abramovich. May he not own any business for UK. That's why Baba just run sharp, hand over the thing. So he still be owner, but he just hand over to them. Then they run. I mean, just they by the wings, just the watch. You know? But it's without more sanctions for the coming. Our Barcelona don't come outside, they let the whole world know say they won't go for Haaland at the end of the summer. So if they don't feel land Haaland, say the person that won't come go for now be Isaac, will be Alexander Isaac, and this guy will be Arsenal target. So now this the way the news they significant to us. We say Barcelona they really say they won't come hijack our targets. They don't they talk this thing for long, but now they don't make them official now. Say because they don't get money now from this deal, what they want to do with Daniel Ek. They say that the won't change the name of Camp Nou Stadium. They won't give them a new deal, and the deal will bring in big money, about £200 million. They really say okay, they want to use part of that money to strengthen their club because now free agent they just they buy, they carry Auba, they carry the fees they pay, just they carry different people free agent, no get money, Adama Traore now loan with an obligation to buy, they no get money presently now. So after this Daniel Ek deal with Spotify now, So we don't do naming rights for Camp Nou. They can't get more money. So they really say their first order of business now to go sign Erling Haaland, because at the end of the summer, with the year, say Real Madrid don't get a deal in principle to sign Kylian Mbappe from PSG. So if Mbappe can't enter PSG, Barca don't sign their own superstar. I will say PSG will. Real Madrid will collect league like mad. They will collect that every year. So that's why then they really say, okay, if Real Madrid collect Mbappe, then someone collect Haaland, maybe say, okay, two of us get our own superstar. They are more the fights the world they go now. But if they no go fit get Haaland, maybe Man City can collect and somebody else can collect them, they will go for Isaac. Well, more the watch as everything they saw. But at the same time, Joao Felix don't come outside and talk, say he would like to play with Ronaldo for Manchester United, because Ronaldo is an idol. And they see Ronaldo as a living legend. You get two of them are Portuguese. So they really say if they play together for the country, you want me to see they play together for club. But the question I'm saying, can Manchester United bring out the kind of money where Atletico Madrid they demand for? So whether this dream of Joao Felix to play with a living legend will come to fulfillment. Maybe say Arsenal they hot on their heels. Arsenal reason they guys see them one time. Everybody knows see them one time. Well, I never know how it is just up. More the watch. And at the same time, Atletico Madrid don't slap 120 million pounds on top Joao Felix. Said, you say for 2019, Atletico for the summer, they go meet Benfica and then collect this Joao Felix for, I think then it was maybe 19 years or thereabout. They collect them for 120 million pounds. Now what did they pay? Query, they can collect the guy. So from then till now, the guy don't score 23 goals in 100 matches for Atletico Madrid. And this season, he don't score 3 goals and make 3 assists for La Liga. So Atletico didn't say, oh my, the guy's still young, he's just 22 years old. So they didn't say they will need to recoup the funds so they pay for his head. So they want 120 million pounds. And they say Arsenal, the reason this guy. So the question now is Joao Felix worth 120 million pounds? It will make sense. We'll go invest this kind of money on this kind of small boy. This season, only 3 goals and 3 assists don't score. Even though we know saying they're very, very good, he can change a match on a good day. So the question as I ask again, should we go ahead and sign this guy? 120 million pounds, no be small money. She ain't water. Our Paul Messi will be one of our legends. Don't come outside on the talk. Say make Arsenal make sure say they extend the contract of Saka and then Smith Rowe to very, very long contract to get. Because as two of them they like this now, anybody want to come buy them now, you can easily sell them for 70 million pounds and nobody go complain because they never reach their peak and they did very, very good. Imagine these two kind of small boys will be saying, and then they carry the weight of Arsenal for their shoulders. They are very, very good and worth every penny. So the best thing Arsenal will do now, maybe they don't lose these guys. Get maybe they give them lengthy contract. But Baba can't give a clause say if you give them lengthy contract and they can't fail to sign and maybe Shakara don't enter their head again, they can't forget where they come from. They can't say no, they won't sign. Sell them through it. Sell them. How many top clubs go for even go start for sale? Say because they use them. They sell them, come on. But we'll never know as the big people. I know say as two of them they like this, we'll do way they celebrate them for not London. I don't think say if Arsenal give them contract, they will reject them. Mikel Arteta don't come outside from media setting. Can they reveal something will happen between him with Nicolas Pepe? So Baba can say before the match, play against Wolves, like the night before, another kind 2 or 3 a.m. Nicolas Pepe wife born baby boy. You get so Pepe can't reason and can't call and say, Baba, say my wife don't born Pikino, but notwithstanding, say I still be available for selection, so I go show for training tomorrow. You get so for the match against Wolves, I would like to play for them and make I help the team in any capacity. Why I figure not all of us they fight for the top corner. So any IB, I bet put me for mind though. Forget saying my wife don't born. As the day, say that was very, very lovely. It shows the unity waiting for the team, for Pepe to go and do that kind of sacrifice. When supposed to do with the family, they jollificate. Say Baba come there for the stadium. At the same time, they can't still select time, you can't still play, you can't still score, can't dedicate time to his son. Come on, man. What else can you ask for? If that shows the kind of one togetherness we get for the team. On my way from that Pepe story, so Martinelli don't come outside for media sets. They can't reveal something waiting for him past. Where he Major let everybody know as he so Baba Conte say before he signed for Arsenal, saying go Manchester United, say the reason that when they play for Ituano, they can't bring a command you, so they can't do trial. So the guy saying do like 4 different trials. At the end of the day, they no sign up, they no deem am okay enough for Manchester United. So Arsenal can't reason and become go Arsenal. Even when they for Man United, they introduce them to all those kind of Pogba, Tom Cleverley. He snap picture with some kind of people when they're very, very young. So last he can't come for Arsenal. Arsenal can't sign him. Nah, the guy don't be mainstay for Arsenal. Now many people don't talk about him. Even Rio Ferdinand, many people don't say, hey, well, if they say we know, we'll give him contract for Manchester United. We'll try and we'll see him be. Well, you know they cry over spilled milk, Jerry, but why don't be our player? At the same time, Odegaard sef don come outside come dey talk say, omo, you see this EPL, you see this Premier League, say Premier League make sense gan. The Premier League dey very very good. Say the way wey the fans dey cherish the team, the players and everything, dey support them. Say it makes sense well, saying they enjoy everything we do with the fans, they support the team. Say Premier League now the only place where you don't play, we don't experience this thing for all the times you don't play for Real Sociedad, La Liga, Norway, different places. You never see where fans they come outside, they appreciate a team for the way they play. Say sometimes if you go outside, I want to go eat, some people go approach them, I love the way you're playing, you know, you're representing us, they go they very happy with that. Even when they want to sign up for Arsenal, say people they call them, they call the family, they beg and say, I beg, come and join us, we need you, they value you, they like your flow, your style, you know, all those kinds of things. But just they appreciate Arsenal fans, especially that way they do for Wolves. Let's say never experience that kind of thing for your life. If they chance, as in, you know, make the atmosphere they very electrifying. You say you get goosebumps. You say, oh for this place we die here. So that kind of thing. Why don't they praise them? Makes sense. Lashira said don't come outside for me. That said, they talk about Aman Broja waiting for Southampton. You say the guy they from loan, they sell him from loan from Chelsea to Southampton. So Baba Konto said this guy is a very clinical striker, very very prolific. This guy is one of the young stars who don't score 4 goals like back to back for the home starts we don't get for Southampton. For the last 4 home games for Southampton, but don't score for every match. Say it makes sense. You can not be everybody to do that kind of thing. For the guy to do that kind of thing, the show saying they very very prolific. And say the thing where Arsenal will do the same way they concern. I said this guy na perfect fit for Arsenal. He has space, he has the build to give you hold up play, he can bully anybody. So the guy makes sense. Well, say me not forget say whether Chelsea get that, Chelsea no get that. At the moment now, they make sure say Chelsea will use the guy in the future, because Chelsea na first way we say they decide ready-made. You get, say if Arsenal get the money, they go for the guy. At the same time, our monetary spirit wey they call the Telegraph don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal don't ask the Professional Games Match Official Board wey they call PGMOL for a meeting. Say they go like make dem see o. Say get some kind of things wey dem want clarification. Say the PGMOL say come agree say okay, we go meet now. So former referee wey they call Kit Hackett come dey advise me, and Arteta talk say if na him be Arteta for this meeting, we go bring back all the video tapes of the red cards wey Arsenal don't get and some kind decision wey no go in favor of Arsenal. Bring all the video tape, you get, show the match board official say, may I look this thing. Why they give my player a red card like this? Why they give this guy 2 yellow card like this? Why see this penalty now? Why they don't give us? You know, all these controversial circumstances and situations. Show them, make them give you explanation so that you go know, make it not be like say the referees they bias against Arsenal, because now the narrative when they go around for social media and for the media space say referees they dey against Arsenal, so they give Arsenal favorable decisions. You know, all those kind of things. These are what you need clarification for. So make Arteta no fail to do this thing. That's what it just be. So if you fail to watch yesterday's show, my dear football lovers, check the left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Happy Sunday and game out.